Choosing the right ERP for your EPC business isn't just a tech decision. It's a decision that shapes your operations, profits, and future scalability. While SAP Business One has long been a household name in the SME ERP world, Odoo has quickly become the go-to choice for modern, fast-moving EPC firms that demand flexibility, faster ROI, and full control over their processes. Now, in this particular video, we'll be breaking down a head-to-head comparison of Odoo and SAP B1, from implementation speed and cost to EPC specific capabilities like contractor management, field service, and project tracking. Here's how Odoo and SAP B1 stack up when it comes to what it matters most to the EPC companies. So here you can see that I've already created one tabular format in which we have set up the criteria. Then we have set up one section for the Odoo ERP and then for the SAP Business One. Now let's go through each of these criteria one by one and let's see which one fits with the specific one in regards to the EPC industry there. So first of all, let's take up the industry fit for the EPC. If we talk about Odoo ERP, it has a modular and a customizable feature for the EPC with native applications like project, inventory, purchase, and much more. On the other hand, the SAP Business One, it has a generic SME focus, and for the EPC support, it can be achieved through add-ons or partner-developed solutions. In case of the deployment options, you can see that Odoo has three different options. One is the on-premise, cloud, and the SaaS-based as well. For the SAP, you can see it has primarily the option for the on-premise. Cloud options are also available through the SAP partners. Coming to the implementation time, for Odoo, we have 2 to 4 months implementation phase, which is basically or can be checked through the MVP based as well. But on the other hand, SAP can be basically implemented within 4 to 8 months average, and depending on the customization and the partner expertise. If we talk about the licensing cost, Odoo is open source based. You have a pay per user per module for the enterprise edition options available, while for the SAP you have only the proprietary licensing and implementation and the annual maintenance. Coming to the customization and the flexibility, you can see that Odoo is highly customizable through Odoo Studio. You can do it through Python developers. It has low-code workflows. Well, on the other hand, for the SAP B1, we have limited functionality there because it's a SDK-based customization is available and it heavily relies on the partners for the same. Coming to the project management criteria, you have Gantt charts, task planning, time tracking, and you also have budget versus actual costing options there. But on the other hand, the SAP B1, it has basic project tracking and it provides basically detailed costing through third-party extension. For the procurement and vendor management, you can see that Odoo has a native RFQ to purchase order flow. We have options for the subcontractor ratings. We have delivery lead tracking as well. But on the other side, SAP B1, it has a built-in procurement basically, and vendor scoring is not native. Coming to the subcontractor management, you can see that Odoo provides a fully trackable with cost center mapping and billing with quality as well. But for the SAP here, you can see that it requires workarounds or third-party add-ons for the subcontractor management. Coming to the user interface, there Odoo has a modern, responsive, mobile, optimized user interface, while SAP has an old interface and it needs some improvements in the SAP B1 web client section as well. Now, talking about the field team enablement, Odoo provides mobile app, field service modules, and task reporting. While for the field team enablement, SAP B1 has no dedicated mobile field module. and it needs a SAP field service management thing, which is a separate product altogether. Coming to the integration and the APIs, Odoo provides REST APIs. It has native module synchronizations and webhooks. While on the other hand, the integration is possible, but most likely it can be handled through partners like DI, APIs and SDKs. Now coming to the scalability part, you can see that basically Odoo is easily scalable, and it has modules that can be scaled as you grow. So you can add CRM, HR, MRP, PLM. So as the firm grows, you can scale your modules as well. Or on the SAP B1, there you have a limited growth plan, and the migration to SAP S4 HANA is needed basically for the enterprise expansion there. Now coming to the total cost of ownership, Odoo has a lower no license fee for the core thing there, and it reduces the infrastructure and the support costs, while the total cost of ownership for the SAP B1 has a higher licensing, annual maintenance and SAP certified infrastructure is required there. Coming to the community and the ecosystem, as we all know, Odoo has a large global open source community along with Odoo partners. On the other hand, you already know that SAP B1 has a smaller ecosystem, and it relies heavily on the SAP resellers and the local VARs there. So, yes. Let's talk about what's the bottom line now. So if you are an EPC business looking for agility, quick ROI and a fully integrated digital ecosystem, then Odoo is the what we say as the smarter, more scalable choice. But if you are deeply embedded in the SAP world and only need basic project tracking, SAP B1 might still fit the bill. Just know you'll pay for that ecosystem comfort. And lastly, I would like to say, if you want to see how Odoo could basically work for your EPC business, you can book a free discovery session with our experts. For the same, you can anytime mail us at sales@appigen.com. And lastly, before I conclude with this particular video today, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates from our end. And till next time, thanks for watching this particular video and have a great day ahead.